Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis. I'm 26. I'm a part-time reseller through ThredUP, Facebook Marketplace, Mercari, and now Poshmark. I've been on Poshmark for about a month now. And today I thought I'd do a quick unboxing video. The background is different. I have a new circle light and I'm in a hurry. I'm trying to film this and just test out the circle light. I thought this was the DIY designer, but it's actually a rare box that I ordered that I thought wasn't coming until Wednesday. And this is the Runway 4-piece box. It's not a DIY box, so nothing in here should be damaged, no buttons cut off, anything. I ordered a few of these boxes. They're very rare. I haven't seen them come up at all. I don't see any videos of the 4-piece, so I know other people have purchased them. I just don't think that they've made videos about them. I personally have never gotten this one. I've gotten the 10-piece DIY one. Again, this one should not have any flaws. First, Rosetta Getty. I'll put all of the brands here or here because I don't know any of these brands. The Runway brands are new to me. I only know the basic ones like, you know, Gucci, Kate Spade, whatever. Okay, this is actually my size. And it's very interesting. It's navy blue, goes down. It's like a keyhole. And then the Rent the Runway tags always have this like barcode right here. And a hack is use your straightener or blow dryer and just melt this tag a little bit and it will peel right off. I can't even see what brand this is. A something. Very small skirt, size 2, made in China. Has this little horn detail. Oh, ALC. Mini skirt. Okay, I do know this one. Derek Lamb. And it's a Derek Lamb dress. It's very sheer. It's a size 2. Has ties. So far I'm not seeing any defects and there better not be. I didn't mention the price of this box. It's $100 for four items. So that's $25 a piece. So I'm hoping these are good boxes. Kaufman Franco fur line jacket. This doesn't feel like real fur. Size extra small, white. It's like a high-low thing. It's a lot of zippers. Now that I've opened this one, I might as well try to find my DIY box. Be right back. This one says, another rental retirees. Again, $100. Oh, these both came from Suwanee, Georgia. So they took a while and the tracking said they weren't supposed to be delivered until Wednesday. So I was waiting on some designer boxes. Okay, first, I mean, these are designer, clearly. First, I think this is the brand Joie. That it looks like Joey, but it's like Joie. I don't know. Size large, turtleneck. This is pretty cute, but this color does not do me justice. Okay. Turtleneck. This, another Joie. I don't know how I feel about this brand. I always see this brand in a local consignment shop. I've sold a few pieces, but nothing on my own. I've only sold them through ThredUP, and I've gotten like decent payout, but again, I paid $25 each for these. Oh, this is the tag from Runway. So they were selling this for $71.98 and $398 is the original price. Extra small wrap dress. And look at that. A Runway dress has all the ties. It is possible. It is possible, you guys. It's nice because this says Acantha dress, and I can easily find this and list it if I need to. Okay, we have this pink. Oh, yes. This is a Reformation dress. It is beautiful. I can already tell. I don't see a size. There is a tear at the tag. So are we gonna count that as a DIY? I think that's a DIY. But for a Reformation dress, I can't figure this out. Okay, this is a long pink. I'm 5'10" and this is going to the floor. So this could be my size actually. Size large. Okay, wow. $25 for a Reformation dress is really good. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, I got one of these shirts before in a DIY box, and every single button was cut off. Like, it's a button-up shirt and all the buttons were gone. So I literally yesterday donated it to Goodwill. I've had it for months. There were some likes on Mercari, no one got it. Crochet. So this is a cool dress though. It looks small. I don't see the size, but I'm assuming it's size 2. That it's like a flag or something. Okay, so those were 2 Revive the Runway, not DIY boxes, 4-piece items, $25 each from Suwanee, Georgia. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you would like to see more unboxing videos. That's pretty much what I do. And I do have a few tips and tricks on my sleeve. I'm a new reseller and I'm about to go full-time. Thanks for watching. See you later.